Welcome to our monthly blog. And this month, of course, well, we're coming to the end of January as we record this. So we're coming up to Lent, and the obvious place to start, I suppose, is all that happens in relation to Lent, and particularly, of course, our Lent booklet, which people use throughout Lent to help them through that journey. So, Kimerie, do you want to tell us some more about that?
I'll be as brief as I can. Basically, this is the booklet, and it's 40 days of letting go. And it made me laugh, to be honest, because it's like, okay, I know the importance of letting go. Let go, let God is my mantra. 40 days of letting go? It's like, that's a lot. But I tell you, we need to let go. It's the path of spiritual surrender. And if we don't let go, we can't open to all that's here for our good. So every day, there's a reading, there's an invitation to let go of something that is in the way of us feeling God's connection, really. And what do we want except that connection that brings forth such love and wisdom and fulfillment in our lives? So this is available now. It's in stock. It can be ordered. And we will be having a reading from our Lenten booklet every morning with our daily word meeting.
Yes.
So that will start on Ash Wednesday and continue throughout Lent. Every morning we will read the Lenten booklet in combination with our daily word morning meditation. And every Thursday evening's meditation, we will reflect on the Lenten reading for that day as well.
Okay. And staying with the idea of online activity, we have a very important class coming up. And this is called Foundations of Unity, which sounds quite significant to me. And I know it's to do with foundational texts. So, but you know much more about this than me. So over to you again to tell us a little bit more about this in detail.
Okay, well, our education program, Education in Unity, is key to the change, experiencing the change within us. We read the material, it's extremely supportive. Prayer and meditation into the stillness, we need that to connect with the God presence. But education and study helps us connect with other people on the journey. We have fabulous books in Unity, Lessons in Truth, Discover the Power Within You, 2 of them, and that makes up our Foundations in Unity class. So this time we've got 2 Saturday workshops. Paul will be leading us through Lessons in Truth, and Beth will be leading us through Discover the Power Within, both highly qualified to take these classes. And if you're at all interested in understanding a bit more about what unity means and how you can apply it in your life, because that's the real thing, then this is a course that would really help get into a bit more of what unity can do for us individually, make it real, and also connect with other people. We're building spiritual community, supporting each other. It's so important. So this is another way that we can do it, through discussion and dialogue and experience.
And of course, 2 very different people, Katie and Butterworth. I mean, Katie is, I suppose, one of the founding mothers of Unity, and it goes back many years. Her writing goes back. Butterworth, a more modern spirit and a lively character. So there's a mixture of styles and a mixture of approaches there, isn't there?
There is.
For people to experience.
Yes, and Lessons in Truth, well, the language is of the 19th century America. So these and thous and things like that are all in there. But if we can get beyond language and to see the heart of what Emily was saying, there's powerful messages in that book, which is why we still use it hundreds of years later almost, you know. It's a really important book in Unity. And Eric Butterworth is a much loved author. One of my favorite books, Discover the Power Within You, really is what I connected to when I started studying in Unity. It's like, wow, there is so much in that book. And these classes just encourage us to dive deeper. They don't go into huge detail, but it starts the discussion. It starts the journey, and it is foundational in unity.
So a great way to get into unity ideas and the unity journey. Now, Maggie Whitehouse, a unity teacher very much from here and now, not just a unity teacher, of course, she's an interfaith minister as well, isn't she? So she's doing a workshop coming up soon during this next period on original blessings.
Yes.
Well, what does that mean?
Well, instead of original sin, the absolute opposite, that we were born in sin, we were born in blessing. And it switches the whole message of traditional Christianity, if you like, away from that idea of I'm a sinner and I need to be saved, to actually I'm a blessing, I am loved, and all of God is here to enable me to know that in every moment. She's a Kabbalistic teacher. She's really deeply involved in the Kabbalah and teaching that. So she's also taking in the Jewish mysticism, which are the Hebrew scriptures, but taking it that deeper personal level and using that in her work. And that's what she taps into and inspires so many Unity people, because we love the mystical understanding, the experience of God here, and to experience God as a blessing, and that I am a blessing, you're a blessing. I mean, that's such a powerful message. So that is,
which is a nice sort of contrast to the Lent, which can be a little bit sort of beating one's chest, or you know.
oh, we don't do that, Steve.
No, we don't
we
do
don't
that.
do that.
We don't do that. Of course, we don't. But it's nice to think that those very positive messages are always there in our Unity journey. Okay, that sounds like a very busy period. So it's probably time for us to do go onto the website if you want to know any more that's going on. There is lots going on, and of course there are our daily online activities, our daily word service, and so on. So that's enough for now, and we shall say cheerio to everyone.
Bless you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.